How to fix too many attempts on Telegram app. Hello guys, welcome to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix the too many attempts problem on your Telegram in less than 50 seconds. So all what you wanna do is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode. And now you need to go back, open the apps manager on your phone, go to the apps, and now all what you have to do is just wait a few seconds and then go to the search and search for Telegram like this. Click on it. After you click on it, now you have to click on the force stop to stop running the app in the background of your phone. And after that you have to go to the storage and click on the manage space option. Now all what you want to do here is very simple. Click on the clear local database and click on clear, and now you need to disable the airplane mode and reopen Telegram, and the problem must be fixed. If it's not, then you have to go to the Play Store and update your Telegram. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.